Sorry if you don't think it's cute, but I do. If you don't, just hop off my channel because it's just gonna get cringier from here. Who is she? Oh my god. I just tried to put contacts in and that hurt so bad. Look at my eye. That was probably the worst pain I've ever felt. I really wanted contacts for this look, but I guess not. I really want to try again though. I'm gonna try again, but I'm gonna use these blue contacts this time. Oh my god, please let this be okay. Oh my god, I got it in. Okay, now the other side. So I'm about to change your life. You're welcome. You can thank me later. I do this like every day at least 50 times. Anytime you have a bad thought, boom, it ain't gonna happen. It's like knocking on wood, except it's better because it brings out your inner luck. It works, dude. Everyone I told to do it, it works. Alright, so do it and thank me later. You're welcome. I saved your life. Oh my god, I got them in and they were pain free. Now I have blue eyes though. I forgot to introduce myself in this video and like, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. Oh my god, I look like I just got done crying, but low-key I did because that hurt really bad. But hi, my name's Desiree. I'm a mess, as you can see. Today I'm going to be turning myself into an art hoe. So if you guys didn't know what that is, it's basically icons. Like if I had a alter ego, this would be it. Like I'd be a art hoe. Let's just get started, shall we? First things first, I don't have anything else on right now except for eyebrows. I'm not redoing them. I'm gonna start with eyeshadow first. We're gonna get this tart shaped tape and just conceal our eyelids. So next I'm going to take this pink right here from my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going to put this above my crease, and it's not really showing up, so that's cool. I'm going to be taking this hotter pink and just start blending that underneath. Oh my god, can you guys even see right now? Yeah, basically, even if you guys couldn't see, I'm just putting pink and just blending it out. Also, I'm getting sick, so that's why my voice sounds gross. Okay, so now I'm going to do my cut crease because I'm going to do like an orange in the center. I'm sorry if this is a bad angle, you guys. Oh my god, it's not even that bad, bro. Like, I did pretty good. Wow. Okay, don't fucking jinx it, damn it. I'm going to take this white right here and put it in the inner corner. This white sucks. Come on, Morphe, really? Step up your game. Look at this crappy white. It's literally crumbling off onto my face. But it's fine, we'll just skip that part. We don't need that. Okay, so since that wasn't working, we're going to take this solstice, I don't know. I'm going to take this color right here, which is labeled spring, and I'm going to go oh yeah, definitely much better. I'm so sorry, not like you guys probably care, but I haven't posted in like 2 weeks and that was not the plan. Okay, like I've been filming and I've been filming a lot, but every video I like go to start editing and I'm like, no, my camera wanted to be rude and turn off, but it's fine. Where was I? I film and then I go to edit and I'm like stupid cringy person. So this video is definitely gonna be cringy as well, but it's been 2 weeks and I need to upload something, so. And then we're going into fall, so we used spring, now we're using fall, which is this orange color, and putting that to blend in with the pink. You feel me, fam? And we're gonna blend that in a second. I feel like you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Also, I watched like a couple tutorials on art hoes and stuff. Art hoes, why'd I do that? I don't know. Yeah, I watched tutorials on them and literally they're all like artistic. They're super aesthetic and they do like voice layouts or don't even talk at all. They just play like really chill music in the back and do their makeup and then like do little words on the screen, and it's so aesthetic. And I'm like, not even gonna try. Okay, but tell me how this isn't even that bad. Look. That's exciting because I usually suck. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like three of these little things. Do you see it? Oh my god, the second one looks so bad. Bro, we're just gonna keep going. Did I just ruin it? Yeah, but it's fine. I'm going to just do black eyeliner. Oh my god, why does this look good? Especially this eyebrow. My eyeliners are uneven as heck right now. There's no going back now. I'm really proud of myself right now, guys. I don't think I'm gonna do foundation, honestly. I'm just gonna conceal right now. And then I'm gonna do, instead of foundation, I'm gonna do this concealer all around my face because it's darker, and I really don't want to use my expensive foundations, and that's all I have right now. Well, all I have right now is this. It's so cute. I'm gonna use this under my eye just so I could get every corner without making a mess. Dude, look how cute my eyeshadow is though. I don't think you guys understand how proud. I honestly have no idea why my camera never focuses. Like, it's becoming a problem. Why you gotta do me like that? Okay, and then not saying like all of them do, but like a lot of them use a lot of blush. And I mean a lot of blush. And I can't find my other eyelash. This is gonna be a problem. Okay, I'm gonna put on eyelashes. Kind of made me want, honestly just want to get done with the eyes already so I don't mess them up. This is not too shabby, like ew. That's the eye look. Do you guys like it? But now we're just gonna put on a hella lot of blush. I'm going to use this. It's the Milkshake palette by Face Candy. And I'm going to use Cherry on Top, which is like this pink color. We're just gonna go all the way as if we were doing like contour. And then I also noticed that they do like pink on their nose, so I'm going to do that. Oh my god. We're not gonna let that be our highlight because we love highlights. My nose looks so cute and pink in here. Look at it. Now we're gonna do highlight. So I'm going into my Athena palette and I'm going to use Medusa, which is this like pinkish goldish color. And I'm going to use that as a highlight. I was gonna say let's spray setting spray first because it really makes the highlight pop. But all I have is my Urban Decay one, and that's like $5 every spray. So not gonna do that. And we're just drenching this on, like we can't have enough highlight. And we're gonna put that over our brow. Oh my god. And then we're gonna do freckles because you can't complete it without freckles. So I'm just going to take this palette again, and I'm going to use Eclipse, which is this brown color, and just draw on a bunch of freckles. Dude, I look adorable right now. I look just like so cute. I probably look so bad on camera. I might wear this every day. Okay, and then now that we do that, they're really harsh, so we're just gonna, or I'm just gonna tap it like this. We're using this, I don't know what color, but I got it from Walmart. Now, to finish off this look, I'm going to put it in a pink wig. I look like Roger, bro. And also, I don't really care. I'm leaving my hair in a ponytail like that because you guys won't be able to see the back of me, and I ain't going nowhere. And then, of course, oh my god, this looks kind of bad with the wig. I liked it better without, but it's fine. Then we're going to do clips. Shout out to Verena. I thought it was so funny. She like posted it on her Instagram that people were making fun of her like posting like take off the clips, and it's like, dude, you inspired me to wear these clips. Like, I got these from you. If you don't know who she is, you should go subscribe to her. She's like iconic, a true icon. Okay, it's low-key growing on me, like the all pink look. Should I change my shirt? I think I should change my shirt. Dude, I really like it actually. So I changed my shirt and I went to the bathroom and I was just like staring at myself. I was like, oh my god, who am I? I should be this every day. I don't know if I just like the change. Like, this isn't me anymore. Whoa, bro. Yeah, this is just me and my dog Cheerio. My name... What should my name be? Leave it down in the comments below. Let's name her. Looking through my closet, I realized I don't have much pink at all. 1,000 likes and I'll wear this to school. Dude, honestly, I actually would. I'd probably get a lot of hate for it and get my wig snatched. But I think it's cute. Who is she? And look at the eyeshadow. Oh my god, dude. I'm so proud of myself. Sorry if you don't think it's cute, but I do. Yeah, this is the new me. This would be my alter ego. This is one of my many alter egos. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. If you guys enjoyed, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. I'm serious, if this gets 1,000 likes, which isn't much, I will wear this to school and flaunt it. If you guys enjoyed, and if you guys want to see possibly my other alter egos, just let me know in the comments and I will do every alter ego I feel like I could be. Because honestly, dude, I should switch it up more often. You guys should definitely go look at Verena's channel. I will link it down below. I kinda sorta got this idea from her, but I'm gonna give her credit because I don't want people thinking that like I did and I'm not giving her credit, you know. But I swear we are in sync, dude. Like, I had the idea to do a video on my alter ego and she didn't do a video about it, but like the next day she posted a picture and she did this and she looked good. She looked good. She posted this and she was like, my alter ego, and it looked good, dude. I was like, bro, holy crap, like we're meant to be friends, Verena, if you're watching this. But yeah, and then like the other day, dude, I was painting a really crappy painting. Let me show you. I tried to do a following Bob Ross video, but look how crappy this is. I cannot post that. That's a disgrace to Bob Ross. And then like that night, bro, she posted a video of her freaking painting. She's probably gonna be like, dude, this is just crazy. But yeah, I'm really just rambling now because I kind of don't want to take this makeup off ever. But it's fine. I'll see you guys in the morning because I am going to do a get ready with me. Death in the... Okay, I don't even need to be talking about that. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. Like, it's still like a dream to me. Like, 10,000. And if you're one of them, I love you so much. Like, thank you. You don't know how much I appreciate it. It's like so unreal. Like, it's not even real. It's not even real. I don't have 10,000 subscribers. Who am I? I really like this look and I hope you guys did too. So if you guys did, just let me know in the comments. If you guys didn't, cool, leave. Don't subscribe to me. I don't need haters. So bye guys.